Blackwell's got the opportunity last week to help one of our longtime food manufacturing partners with a problem they've been having. They noticed that 2 pipes over one of their production lines showed signs of flaking paint and just general all-around nastiness. We decided that dry ice blasting would be the best option for resolving the issue. As always, dry ice did a great job of removing all the loose paint and everything that's just not supposed to be there. I'm in a single mass man lift to get the side of the pipes that are facing the wall, while my buddy Carlos over there's got a nice big stable boom lift to get the other side. I'd bet that most contractors could blast these pipes just as well as we can, but what sets us apart is our dedication to GMP standards. Notice the floor-to-ceiling curtain we hung around the work area and the HEPA filtration fan that we're using to create negative air pressure. That means that air is being pulled into our work area instead of dust just floating out into the plant. Also, notice that the line has been completely covered in plastic sheeting to prevent contamination. We finished the project on a Saturday with production starting up on Sunday. We knew there wouldn't be time for the plant sanitation crew to clean up after our team, so being proactive about dust containment and isolating our work area was key to making this project a success. Thank you for watching and see you next time.